love, 'cause I don't wanna fall in love. If I ever did that, I think I'd have a heart attack.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Eureka! A perfect topaz!
Nice. That just leaves the
Sapphire! Right behind you!
Look, whatever Krogan and Vigo are paying you.
I pay them. Ha well done, Hiccup. No! No fish! Fish! Stop loud! Don't sneak up on me like that! Well, don't sneak around and you won't get snuck up on. Scared, broken-hearted, you poor, naive little man.
Okay.
Call it a draw?
Not on your life. I got you right where I... What?
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
Okay.
Barry, I will give you $1,000 if you say it right now.
$1,000? Barry, your friend is a high roller. You are hiding something.
Wait a minute. No, wait. Can we just stick to the issue at hand?
Oh, you almost had me. But you cannot declare offshore investment losses against future capital gains. Any child knows that.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
There was a time not long ago when wars we bravely fought against a foe we feared before a lesson we were taught. That night of fury one did dare to set aside his dread and place his hand upon a winged villain's gentle head. Now time has passed and what was once our cursed enemy now carries us to battle against our threat across the sea.
Mr. Conrad, you, my friend, are being audited.
No.
Open up your loving arms, watch out, here I come. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round. John Cena!
Nice, right?
Would you give me that?
Run.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. You're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you. Oh, please, I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul, so cynical.
This is Dragon's Edge. It's remote, it's dangerous, and until recently, it's been our home. It's also been a home to our dragons.
Okay.
Bringing in the brain.